In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Microsoft To-Do List on your desktop. By the end, you'll have Microsoft To Do just a click away on your taskbar and a convenient shortcut sitting right on your desktop, so you can jump into your tasks without digging through menus. First, let's get the app installed. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC in the store's search bar. Type Microsoft To Do. When you see it in the results, click on it. Then select Get to start the installation. The store will download and install the app automatically. If you already have it installed, the button may say Install or Open instead. Either way, you are good to proceed once the installation is complete. Give it a moment to finish. You'll know it's ready when the button changes. Next, we'll make it easy to access from your taskbar. Open your Start menu and look for Microsoft To Do. You can scroll through the list of apps or just type To Do in the Start search to find it quickly. Once you see the Microsoft To Do app, right-click it and select Pin to Taskbar. This places a quick launch icon on your taskbar, so you can open it with a single click anytime. Now, let's add a desktop shortcut. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box that appears, type Shell Apps folder and press Enter. This command opens a special window in File Explorer that shows every application icon installed on your PC. In this window, locate the Microsoft To Do icon. If you have a lot of apps, you can sort by name or scroll until you find it. When you do, right-click the Microsoft To Do icon and choose Create Shortcut. Windows will let you know that a shortcut can't be created here and will offer to place it on your desktop instead. Confirm that prompt and the shortcut will appear directly on your desktop. That's it. Thanks for watching.